Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Canva and upload your PDF using Uploads or the Upload a File button. When you select a PDF, Canva will import each page as separate editable pages. Wait until all pages finish processing before you start. Confirm the document type and choose whether to keep or replace fonts when prompted so text remains editable. If your PDF contains many pages, use the thumbnail panel to jump to specific pages quickly. Close any other browser tabs to prevent upload slowdowns and ensure a stable internet connection. Select a page and click Edit to adjust text blocks or replace images, then click directly on any text to open the text toolbar. Use the text tool to change fonts, size, color, spacing, and alignment precisely, and toggle bold, italic, or uppercase as needed. Drag images to replace them or use Replace Image to keep sizing and crop while preserving layout. To reorder pages, drag thumbnails in the left panel. To delete a page, open its menu and choose Delete Page. Group objects for bulk moves and use Snap to Grid for exact alignment. Use Download and choose PDF Print or PDF Standard when exporting your edited document, selecting PDF Print for high-resolution needs and PDF Standard for email or web. Enable crop marks and bleed for print jobs, and select Flatten PDF for form preservation or when fonts cause issues. Save version copies in your Canva projects so you can revert to earlier edits, and make a copy before major changes. If you have complex layouts or embedded fonts, consider Canva Pro features like Brand Kit and export settings to retain color profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.